So I got a free boat. 1992 Searay Signature 200. Sitting for over 10 years. Rough shape on the inside, but hull solid. So what are we gonna do? Well, we're gonna use this boat as a donor. So this whole thing started out with, I saw someone was selling a free boat on Facebook Marketplace. I got this trailer to put that boat on. And while I was waiting to go get this one, this boat came up for sale, and it happened to have a 4.3 OMC V6 without drive. So I decided to get this boat to swap engine, out drive, you name it, into the Searay. The Sunbird came with that white trailer, but I needed that white trailer for the Searay. So now I have these two boats sitting here, and they're slowly going to be combined into one good boat. Of course, part of this project, I'm going to be redoing floors, subfloors, upholstery, seats, wiring, engine swap, you name it. It's all going to be documented here on this Searay restoration. So far, I'm in $85 for this trailer that I had to do some welding and reinforcing to, because by the time when I got it, the whole tongue from here forward was buried in dirt. So I had to kind of weld and reinforce this area. Then of course, so we're $85 here, $150 on the Sunbird and the trailer. And then that boat was free. It just took a 4-hour drive one way, 4 hours to get it home, and 2 hours of getting it out of the ground and onto that trailer. That was a whole thing. We had to cut that trailer apart, cut the tongue off, jack it up into the air, back this trailer in front of the boat, grease the bunks, and then we were able to push from behind and use the bow hook to crank it onto this trailer. It was a 2-hour event, but did it, got it home. So this is it. Boat restoration from moldy, rotten. Gonna restore it into a nice, usable Bowrider for the family. I do have my 32-foot Regal Cruiser, works great. It's just so much boat that it's real pain in the butt to get it on and off the trailer. And we can't really afford marina fees anymore, so we take this out every now and then, but we're trying to get something that we can launch and recover in a short amount of time compared to this. This takes about an hour to get back on the trailer, and one of these we can get back in 10 minutes or less. I love the Cruiser, but I'm also looking to have a light little boat that we can pull with our minivan. So stay tuned as I start the restoration. I'm gonna start with pressure washing, taking out all the bad materials. I'm gonna try to get this engine to fire up so I can sell that to get money for parts. There's a few things on this boat I'm gonna sell. Windshield, one of the seats is all right. And then, so part of this project, I'll be working on 2 engines. They're both 4.3 V6s. One's a OMC, now known as Volvo Penta. This one's a mercruiser. So we're gonna see 2 engine repairs on this project. So stay tuned and let's see how we can get this on the water. Goal is by the 4th of July. If I can't get it on the water by 4th of July, then Labor Day or bust.